Today, I'm making a quick and easy spicy Szechuan Udon. And I'm using simple ingredients that I have in my kitchen and that you probably have in your kitchen as well. It's bold, it's flavorful, and it comes together in minutes. So let's get cooking. First, let's prep our vegetables. We've got mushrooms for that umami bite, green onions for freshness, and spicy peanuts for little heat and crunch. Feel free to add other veggies like red bell pepper, broccoli, or bok choy if you have them in your fridge. Now for the sauce. This is where all the flavor comes together. We're mixing dark soy sauce for depth, black vinegar for a little tang, honey for balance, fresh garlic, and fresh ginger for that punch, Shaoxing wine for a touch of complexity, and sesame oil to bring it all together. Give it a good mix, and that's it. Simple, but packed with flavor. Now, let's start cooking. I'm heating up my wok until it's ripping hot. This is key for perfect stir fry. First, I'm going to add some high smoke point oil, then in go the mushrooms. Once they're soft, I toss in green onion and spicy peanuts for an extra depth. When the mushrooms are nicely cooked, it's time for the sauce. I pour it in, followed by the udon noodles. I'm turning down my heat and letting them soak up all that flavor by cooking them slowly in the liquid, covered with the lid. This way, every bite is packed with that rich, savory sauce. Just before the sauce finishes cooking, I'm adding a lot of Szechuan pepper because I like my pasta extra spicy. If you're not as much of a spice fiend, feel free to dial it back. But for me, I want bold, numbing heat to really hit. It's that easy. Now it's time to plate. To finish it off, I'm topping it with more green onions for freshness, extra chopped nuts for that crunch, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds to bring it all together. And that's it. Simple, spicy, and packed with flavor. Spicy Szechuan Udon, packed with bold flavors and a kick of heat. If you like this, make sure to subscribe because I've got hundreds of YouTube shorts covering food science, cooking tips, and food history to help you level up your kitchen game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.